take a screenshot on your Dell laptop, simply find the print screen button. It should be somewhere right here. On this particular laptop, that's on F10. Okay, so to take a full screenshot, you want to hold the Windows button and then press print screen. You can see the screen dimming. That's going to take a screenshot. Alternatively, you could press the Windows and function key and then the print screen button, depending on which specific Dell laptop you have. Now, another way of taking a screenshot is to go to the start button and look for snipping tool. Okay, now with the snipping tool, you can go ahead and make sure the camera icon is selected. That's the screenshot option. So make sure that's highlighted and then click on new, and then it's going to dim the screen. Now simply use your trackpad to select the area you want to screenshot. And then once you release, that's going to take that screenshot. And you can see the screenshot, it's going to pop up in the snipping tool, and you can manipulate it and save it the way you want. Now, all full-size screenshots are going to be saved by default in the Pictures folder. So if you go to File Explorer, go to Pictures, you should see a folder called Screenshots. Double click on that, and that's where all your screenshots are going to get saved. Thanks for watching, and good luck.